Hi, very good evening. This is again a very interesting Supreme Court judgment. Mala Chowdhury and another versus State of Telangana. The builder atrocity. So, how the builders behave. It is not enough if you know the what is arbitration, what is income tax, what is excise, GST. Not enough. You should know the world. Otherwise, you may be in trouble. See the fantastic case. Harassment by the builder. Facts. Appellant was a wife of late army personnel and was aged about 70 years. So she is aged 70 years. So she has a daughter. Both are residents of New Delhi. The appellant husband, the army officer, was owning a plot of land in Rangareddy Street in Telangana. One builder by name Sandhya Constructions and Estates Private Limited. I generally don't name the parties in my all my judgments. Whatever I read, I give. I don't. I say X Y. Here I give the name of the builder specifically because people should know. So the name of the builder here is Sandhya Constructions and Estate Private Limited, an influential builder in the state of Telangana, approached the army officer for the sale of the plot, for the sale of the land. The value at that time they agreed was 7 crores. There was nothing in writing, either oral or in agreement or in writing. The army officer passed away. After the death of the army officer, the wife wanted to sell the property because she found it difficult to manage that property. Obviously, huge value of the value of the property was very huge. So, an agent of the builder now contacted her to complete the transaction. They agreed with certain terms, how much money has to be paid in different proportions. That let us not bother about it. Initially, he transferred rupees 4 crores to the account of the appellant, that is the wife. Supreme Court, she is the wife approached the Supreme Court in this case. So, 70-year-old appellant approached the Supreme Court. The circumstances I will tell you. He transferred rupees 4 crores to the account of the appellant, the agent. But subsequently, no payment was received by the appellant as agreed orally. Again, there was nothing in writing. After transferring 4 crores, agent started compelling the appellant to register the sale deed in favor of Sandhya Constructions. He is the builder. So appellant naturally she refused. She said, "You transfer the balance money as agreed orally. Otherwise, I will not transfer the land." Then she sent a WhatsApp message saying that 70-year-old. That again and again I am repeating so that you will know the. So she sent a WhatsApp message saying that she is calling off the deal. Then the agent of Sandhya Constructions and the Sandhya Constructions both registered an FIR against the appellant in the state. In the FIR, they developed some cock and bull story. I don't want to narrate the entire story simply because it's unnecessary. A little bit I will touch upon it. It was stated in the FIR that the appellant refused to refund the money. She's not coming forward to register the sale deed. Hence, a cheating case was booked. Further, it was stated in the FIR that the appellant said, the old lady said that she has some connections with the neighboring plot owner and she will ask him to sell that plot also to the builder. So, and it is stated in the FIR that the appellant, the old lady said, if anyone is coming to Delhi to either asking for refund of money or transferring the plot, I will kill that fellow. 70-year-old said. That was recorded in the FIR. And anyone entering the land in Hyderabad, he will face serious consequences. This is what the FIR. Simply put, Telangana police immediately registered an FIR. Then they served a notice to the appellant to join the investigation. She said to the notice that I am suffering from a fracture, serious fracture, so I cannot come. So permit me to appear by way of video conferencing. But her request was rejected. She was asked to appear. She appeared. In a bedridden condition, she appeared. And she was arrested by the police. No, this is a clear cheating case. So they arrested, the police arrested the 70-year-old. She was kept in jail for 8 days. Then she was granted bail, she was released. In the meantime, Telangana police, police means they are all Scotland squad. So it is not recorded by Supreme Court, I am saying on my own. So Telangana police entered her house in New Delhi, where the daughter was staying, to harass and humiliate them, so that people will know some police is coming, raiding their house, etc. So they did this. Then this appellant, the wife, 70-year-old one, she preferred a Section 482 petition before High Court to quash the FIR. High Court refused to quash the FIR by a cryptic order, saying nothing doing, you appear, go under the criminal process. That is what the High Court said. Then the 70-year-old appealed to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, after going through all the records, it said, this is a classic case of Sandhya Constructions. It says complainant number 2. I am saying the name. Sandhya Constructions. Wielding a clout in the state and misusing the police investigation. In the FIR, it is said by the complainant that appellant not only agreed to sell her plot, but also claimed that she will use her good relations with the neighbor to sell his plot also. The facts stated in the FIR and the case filed by the builder in the civil suit, which was filed much later after the FIR was filed, there was huge difference. Supreme Court said, on a bare reading of FIR, it is clear that a simple civil suit has been given the color of criminal case by misusing criminal machinery of the state. The appellant, in this case a 70-year-old woman, wife of a late army officer, was arrested in false and frivolous FIR. Supreme Court said, even if the statements in the FIR is admitted to be true, no criminal, much less a cognizable offence case can be filed against the appellant. Supreme Court said, in gross disregard of all tenets of law, FIR was registered for which there was no element of offence whatsoever. The builder, by using the clout with the police, not only registered the FIR but also got her arrested and humiliated her by keeping her in custody for 8 days. During the hearing, the appellant, that 70-year-old, said, okay, whatever has happened, I will refund the money. She said that. That whatever is the advance amount paid. But the builder refused to accept the refund amount and demanded interest on that amount. No, I will not accept. You pay interest for that amount which I have paid to you. Supreme Court said, rather than awarding interest, it is a fit case to penalize Shanti Constructions with exemplary cost for misusing judicial process. Supreme Court imposed the cost of rupees 10 lakhs on Shanti Constructions. Supreme Court further ordered police protection to the appellant whenever she wanted to visit her site in Hyderabad, in the Telangana state. Supreme Court deprecated the practice of the High Court in writing a cryptic order and not quashing the FIR. Supreme Court said, the offer of the appellant to return the money, whatever she offered, you go before the civil suit, you do whatever you want. That is what Supreme Court said. My comments are simple. What to say about the big builders? Money. They have huge money. They have muscle power also. Not only money. They have muscle power. These agents are muscle men for them. They are hand in glove with the politicians and police. All the builders, no exception. Builders are threatened by somebody, some other muscle man. That's a different matter. But these builders are all every state they are doing this. They can do anything. Second, my second comment is honest police is a oxymoron. Happily married is a oxymoron. So honest police is a oxymoron. Sorry to say this. This is third. My third point is this is one case which has come out because the amount involved is to the crores of rupees, 5 crores something. Many cases get buried as people may not have the physical strength or the financial strength to fight against the builder. Builder may remove you. What will you do? Police is in their hands. So sorry state of affairs. That's what I can say. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Bye.